Okay, hi guys. In this movie or this short movie, I'm gonna give you an overview of the whole course. How is it structured, what you are going to learn when, and what to do and what's most important for you to achieve the target of becoming a real master in 3D. Now, I divided this course in 4 sections. First section is the basics, the fundamentals. Second one is about multi-planning. The third is about cameras, and the fourth is about lights. Covering the 4 sections, you will understand really what 3D is all about in After Effects. But you have to cover them sequentially. Don't skip, don't jump, just go one by one. So let's go to the first section. In the first section, you will compare 2D and 3D. I want you to get familiar between moving from 2D to 3D, and notice After Effects will allow us to have 2D and 3D in the same composition. You will learn about orientation and rotation, keyframing in 3D. We will move to the next section where you will learn about multi-planning. Multi-planning is the way you put things or objects in a plan so you can see them in 3-dimensional. You will learn also how to use your views. It means being very comfortable in what you're doing and seeing everything that's on the screen. Then we will run a project about multi-planning. It's like the car driving, and the nearest things, they disappear very fast, and the far things, they disappear very slowly. This is a very good example. It's not easy, it's not difficult, but it's very realistic, and you will need to learn it step by step. The next one, when we get to cameras, that is the third section, you will learn about the camera presets, how to use the camera tools in your camera views or your orthographic views. Also, you will learn how to optimize your views and the camera motion path. It's a bit tricky there. Creating an orbital, the old-fashioned way and the new way. Also, we'll review all the manipulation for a camera, so you feel very comfortable and you remember everything, how to move a camera around, because it's a bit tricky. Then we go to lights, like we said in the 4th section. We will learn how to create lights, the several options that we have, but we will also focus on point and spotlight, which are the most important and they have the most parameters. And also, you need to learn how to create shadows, because shadows don't just appear. There are certain steps that you have to do to get a shadow. Then the last thing in the comprehension is about the fall-off property. The fall-off property simulates how light function in reality. Now, put all this together, you will have really acquired the skills. We move on to do one good exercise. It's about rotating a cube in 3-dimensional. I chose this exercise because it gives you, first of all, there are a lot of tricks, but also it will give you a real sense of how to work with 3D within After Effects. I hope you like what I said. I hope you like the structure of the course. If you didn't join the course yet, please do join in. Maybe you'll become a pro in 3D. If you are within the course, please be meticulous, one by one, be patient. And most importantly, when you don't understand something, ask. Message me, put it in the discussion board. It really doesn't matter. But don't skip it and move on, okay? My name is Luai. This is my accent. I speak 4 languages. I'm an expert in After Effects, and I welcome you to my course. Thank you.